Have you ever wondered what retinol is and how it can benefit your skin? Well, let's dive into the world of skincare and uncover the secrets of this powerful ingredient. Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, is a superstar in the skincare universe. It made its grand entrance into the world of beauty in the 1970s, and since then, it has been making waves due to its transformative effects on the skin. Retinol is widely recognized for its ability to speed up skin renewal, smooth out wrinkles, and improve skin texture. It's like the magic wand of skincare, working its charm to reveal a more youthful and radiant complexion. Whether you're dealing with the early signs of aging or just looking to maintain a healthy glow, retinol could be your skin's best friend. So, retinol is an important ingredient that can bring about significant changes to your skin. But how does it work, and how should you use it? Let's find out in the next segment. Now that we know what retinol is, let's delve into its ingredients. Retinol, in its purest form, is simply a derivative of vitamin A. It's one of the few substances with a molecular structure small enough to penetrate the outer layers of our skin, where it can repair and stimulate collagen and elastin. But retinol doesn't work alone. In most skincare products, it's often combined with other ingredients to enhance its effects. For instance, you may find it paired with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which can help protect your skin from damage. It may also be combined with moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid to counteract dryness, a common side effect of retinol. Some formulations even include peptides, which can further boost collagen production. So when you're looking at a product with retinol, remember, it's not just about the retinol itself. It's the synergy of its ingredients that make it a powerhouse in skincare. Having a clear understanding of the ingredients can help us better appreciate the benefits of retinol. So, what are the benefits of incorporating retinol into your skincare routine? Let's delve into why retinol has been hailed as a skincare superstar. Its benefits are numerous and scientifically backed. First off, retinol is renowned for its ability to improve skin texture. It works by promoting cell turnover, which means it helps your skin shed dead cells and replace them with new ones. This process leaves you with a smoother and brighter complexion. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that participants who applied a retinol-based cream for 12 weeks experienced a significant improvement in skin roughness. Secondly, retinol is a champion when it comes to reducing wrinkles. It does this by boosting the production of collagen, a protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic. As we age, our collagen levels decrease, leading to the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. Retinol steps in to help slow down this process. A study in the Archives of Dermatological Research found that 24 weeks of topical retinol treatment significantly improved wrinkles and the overall appearance of photo-age skin. Lastly, retinol is a powerful ally in the battle against acne. It helps to unclog pores, reducing the likelihood of breakouts. It also decreases the inflammation associated with acne. A review in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology found that retinol, when used in combination with other treatments, can significantly improve acne. But that's not all. Retinol can also help to fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots, even out skin tone, and reduce the appearance of scars. It's like a multitasking miracle worker for your skin. Now, it's worth mentioning that while retinol offers these amazing benefits, it's not a quick fix. Consistent use over time is key to seeing results. And remember, always use retinol as part of a comprehensive skincare routine that includes a good cleanser, moisturizer, and most importantly, sunscreen. Clearly, retinol is a powerful ingredient with a multitude of benefits. Next, we'll talk about how to use retinol safely and effectively. Stay tuned. You might be wondering, how should you use retinol? Well, let's dive right into it. Firstly, retinol is best applied in the evening. Why? Because it can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. However, it doesn't mean it's a nocturnal creature. If you prefer to use it in the morning, remember to layer on a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30. Now, how often should you use retinol? Start slow, especially if you're a newbie. Begin with twice a week and see how your skin responds. If all's well, gradually increase the frequency to every other night, and eventually, every night if your skin can handle it. But how exactly do you apply retinol? Cleanse your face first to ensure it's free from dirt and makeup. Then, apply a pea-sized amount of retinol to your face. That's right, a pea-sized amount. Too much of a good thing can be irritating, so resist the urge to slather on more. Next, wait for about 20 to 30 minutes before applying your moisturizer. This allows the retinol to fully absorb into your skin without being diluted by other products. One last thing, If you experience peeling or redness, don't panic. It's just your skin adjusting to the new product. However, if the irritation persists, it might be a good idea to consult with a dermatologist. Remember, like any skincare product, it's essential to use retinol properly to get the best results. Are you interested in vegan, cruelty-free, and toxic-free retinol products? There are many brands out there that meet these criteria. Brands like Herbivore, Biossance, and Youth to the People offer retinol products that are free from any animal-derived ingredients, cruelty-free, and devoid of any harmful toxins. These brands are committed to creating products that not only improve your skin, but also respect the environment and all living beings. Herbivore's bakuchiol retinol alternative smoothing serum, for instance, is a great vegan choice that delivers similar benefits to retinol without any animal-derived ingredients. Similarly, Biossance's squalane and phytoretinol serum is a plant-based, cruelty-free alternative to traditional retinol products. It's crucial to consider these factors when choosing skincare products. After all, skincare shouldn't just be about looking good, it should also feel good, ethically and morally. Choosing vegan, cruelty-free, and toxic-free products can ensure that your skincare routine is as kind to the environment as it is to your skin. We hope you found this guide to retinol informative and helpful. We've explored what retinol is, its key ingredients, and the myriad of benefits it offers. We've also discussed how to use it effectively and responsibly, and highlighted top-notch vegan, cruelty-free, and toxic-free products. Remember, the journey to radiant skin is just beginning. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps support our channel. If you'd like to stay up to date as we continue to educate about skincare and ingredients, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. We're happy to have you here. Until next time, keep shining.